सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. Let's enter into the next questions. What is the purpose of one's life? Actually, you should ask this question to yourself. When you look in again and again with this question, you will understand the meaning of the life. Please understand, life has no purpose as we understand. Purpose means life needs to be used to achieve something. If you understand the word purpose with this meaning, life has no purpose. But life has meaning. Purpose means it is not part of life, it is end of life. Meaning means it is ingredient of life, part of life. If you look for purpose of life, you will not be able to find anything. But if you look inside, as a quest, you will find the meaning of life. Everyone has to look inside into their biomemory to find out the meaning of the life. As I gave this beautiful meditation technique, sitting with oneself, allowing all the words to happen in you, all the ideas to come up in you. What are the ideas which are moving you this side and that side? What are the ideas which are giving you more inspiration and more depression? Look in, spend time with those ideas. You will see the meaning of life. So, if you just ask the purpose of life, you will not find. If you look inside, you will find the meaning of life. Thank you. Next question. If biomemory is passed on from parents to child through the genes, how do we have control over our biomemory? You need to understand this very deeply. Please understand, from parents what is passed on is possibility of biomemory. Biomemory need to be understood in two levels. One, the possibilities, which is the physical part, and the construction which you do, which is the mental part. The ground is ready either for agriculture or for construction of a building. You can do agriculture or you can build a building. The ground being ready is physical. That is what is handed over from the parents to you. Deciding to have an agriculture or constructing a building is your decision. So, only one part of the possibility is handed over to you through genes. And you have a major decision, a conscious decision to build, to create on your own. So please understand, all the biomemory is not passed on to you through genes by the parents. You need to work, you need to understand this very clearly. You can see the story of Prahlada. The possibility was handed over. You see, when Prahlada was being carried by the mother, Narada constantly, by giving the beautiful initiation and the stories, information about the Bhagavatam and Krishna, creates a beautiful biomemory in Prahlada's body. When Prahlada landed in that body, he started developing the same biomemory. So the possibility, his genes biomemory, what was handed over to him through body, and his mental biomemory, what he created after that, both connected, coincided, both were relating with each other. But it is not necessarily be the same. Sometimes the biomemory which is handed over by the parents will be different, and the person who is creating his own biomemory will be different. You can see sometimes the parents will be very, very polite and soft people, and the son will be very arrogant and strong kind of a person. It happens. So you do have a conscious role. You can play a major part in your biomemory. Next question. How does the soul choose the body? This is a very important thing to be understood. I think in earlier questions I was describing, before taking the next birth, during the time of previous death, leaving the body, you go through the whole thing in front of you. The whole thing is presented in front of you. Whole thing is available in front of you. You go through like a fast forward. Please understand, like a whole thing appears in front of you. You can see very clearly. Whatever you enjoyed very strongly, deeply, happens in multicolor. Whatever you enjoyed very politely, mildly, did not enjoy much, just so, dull, unconsciously, that goes through in black and white. So you see which was very strong experiences, and you decide, do you want the same thing in your future, in your life, in your next birth? Based on that, you choose the body and the place and the way in which you wanted to live in the next life. Thank you.